Hello and welcome to this review of the MAONO AU PM421 condenser microphone. This is a cardioid USB mic with stand, shock mount, windscreen cap and pop filter. Let's first take a look at the specifications and then we'll move to the unboxing and assembly of this microphone. Key features are cardioid polar pattern, sample rate up to 192 kHz, USB connectivity, a gain knob and a touch sensitive mute button. This is the box as it came from Amazon. Let's begin the unboxing and see what's inside. First thing we are presented with is a user manual. Inside you can find instructions for assembly and setup. Next, we find a contact card with a smiley face and suggested platforms where you can spread the love. Next, we are presented with a windscreen cap for those of you that may find gusts of wind in your studio. Of course, this should also reduce the popping sound generated by the sudden airflow from your mouth. The final item on this first layer of the package is the actual pop filter. This is the connector for the pop filter. It attaches to the microphone stand. The support arm for the pop filter appears to be quite rigid, but time will tell how this will hold up. A Velcro cable tie. A USB cable with a Type A on one end and what appears to be a Type B on the other. We are provided with a table clamp for the support arm. It does appear to have some protection for the top side of the desk. Next we have the shock mount for the microphone. Next we take out the microphone stand. On the top side we attach the shock mount. And at the bottom the table clamp. Finally we take out the microphone. On the front we have the mute button and the gain knob. On the bottom we see the USB Type B connection. First thing we're gonna do is attach the table clamp to the microphone stand. We will now adjust the table clamp depending on the size of the desk that we're going to use. Now we're going to attach the shock mount to the microphone stand. Next we'll have to squeeze together the arms in the shock mount. Then we will place the mic in while slowly releasing the catch mechanism with the other hand. Next we slide the windscreen cap on top of the microphone. Next we attach the pop filter to the microphone stand. So there you are. Once everything is assembled, it is truly just plug and play with the USB connection. Windows did recognize the microphone without issues, and you should be able to start recording your audio with the preferred software right away. After about a week of using the microphone, first impressions are quite satisfactory. Build quality appears to be adequate, with nothing negative to bring to my attention. Sound quality is above of what I had initially expected. While some might be let down of the low gain of the mic, even with the adjustment knob close to its maximum, I think it's quite easy to fix in post-processing and adjusting settings in software. This entire video's voiceover has been recorded using the microphone, so I think it's best left to your discretion, the listener, to determine the sound quality of this product. I cannot directly compare the value for money of this mic to other contenders, especially for the more expensive options, but I can say that I am pleasantly surprised by the value this package from MAONO seems to deliver. This product has been purchased from Amazon, and you can find the link in the video description. Please don't hesitate to like and subscribe to the channel if you found this useful. Comments are welcome in the comment section below. Thank you and see you next time.